First time I ever used this flashlight.
It's a square.
It's weird. It's some kind of diamond. Oh, we found him. Okay, he's dead. Okay, protester over.
Brownstein?
Is that still Brownstein? Yeah. It's still messed up. See how, look at it. He hit it with a backhoe and it shifted the whole roof. And you know, watch, they have freaking weird neighbors too.
I feel like Daphne. My glasses on. I don't want to wear my glasses. It's dark out.
And walk down this path since it's everything's. See how they're all leaning that way? You do not want to go in front of those. Blondie. Look.
Zelda.
Mm-hmm. That used to be a common name. I'll show you how common.
Zelda.
And that was it's Friday. Garber. Like some of these sidewalk was like one of the first they put in here. You could tell because how small it is.
Yep.
We just did that one.
Looking.
Yep. And as you can see how wide it is, look how we had to get it through. Scott. Like you see, he's like
Hindu, right?
He died 1934, so he was at the age of 74. So he was born in the 1850s.
You got to see the cowboys.
This is one of the older sections, like I said, if you could tell.
Wow.
That picture's over 100 years old. And they're falling apart. It's a shame.
Mm-hmm.
I know someone with the last name Blum. Do you know why they have houses on cemeteries?
Why?
To prevent grave robbing back in the day. It was a thing.
Really?
So they had to have, what do you call it? House groundkeeper. You know, the guy with the old lantern walk around.
Yeah.
That's what they did. It wasn't a farce or made it up, it was something that was real. Yaffe. We just did a stone near here. That one. I know because the base. I'm like, why is the base so big? And you can look how see inside the wall what they filled with. This was built. And the plaque's gone.
Isn't there supposed to be two on these?
They're supposed to be, see where the little round holes are at? There was a whole plaque up here. It's just falling apart. I know a Pearl Pressman. Where's the detector at?
Here.
That's not giving off anything. It's more if I tapped it. Phone's not giving off anything.
It's weird.
Shouldn't be anything in here. Just pass by. I wonder if it's from the shaking. Not really. I smell moisture. Pretty sure that was a coyote.
Really?
Could have been. There used to be bald eagles that lived next door. Is there anyone with us tonight?
Needle man.
I don't think he's with us tonight. Yes and no.
Okay. Either or, man. Wisniewski? Nesky. That's the name of some cat you used to know.
My old biology teacher's buried back over there from high school. Ducat. I actually liked his class. He's like, I'm gonna, he was like excited when I got there. Right after that year, he was burnt out. You could tell. But he was so excited, you could tell. He liked doing what he did. He's like, I'm bringing in a project. We're gonna test out like different, like we were learning about like mollusks and different sea life. And he's like, I'm gonna bring in cooked scallops and octopus and all that. And he did.
That's cool.
I'm gonna show you a stone we just did. Besides this one, because we had to drive in here to get to the one over here.
Such a cool name.
And we put a big hole in the ground because it was so soft back here.
There's no jump as the juicer back here.
I know. That's why I'm pointing towards the bush. This one, Huffman. And it's already leaning. They've been putting really bad foundations in lately. Oh.